Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can change the language at the Samsung Galaxy A04e. For that, let me tell you first, whatever language you have on your phone with whatever letters, the symbols and the positions I will show you here in the tutorial video will be always the same. Okay, let's start now first with the settings. So just scroll down here and then you will have here at the corner always the symbol for the settings. Just tap on it. Then you need to scroll down to the point General Management. It has a gray icon here in front with white things to adjust. Tap on it. Now you will need the first point, Language. So in May you are having a list here right now. And if your language is part of that list, like in my case Deutsch, so from Germany, so just tap on the number. And then go on the blue button here to apply for the language, and then the phone will be in German, or in your case, in your language. Okay, let me put it back to English because I want to show you what to do if your language is here not part of that list. And I think you can imagine it already. If you press now, you're on the on the green plus symbol. So if you press here on the green plus symbol, you can add a language. And now you can choose the language you want to have. There are many options. Let's keep going on, maybe in English to follow the video better. And the second step is always to choose, or most of the time, to choose a dialect, a local one. Maybe let's change to the United States dialect now. Okay. After, you have to tap here on Set as Default, so the most right one. And then immediately the language you have chosen is now here on top of the list. English now with the dialect of the United States. In your case, your language. I hope I could help you with this video and answer your question. And if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me a thumbs up. That will be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And I've created also some other videos if you're interested in, or maybe you can also subscribe me to don't miss a new video. Thank you so much for your support, and maybe the next time. Ciao.